Bitcoin just made another new all-time high, and we could be about to get to a major pump for top alt and meme coins like Shiba Inu. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu, or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news, and how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 17th of December, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 2,737 units. SHIB's price is up 2% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $860 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $16 billion, ranking it as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu makes key Metamask ranking despite stalling rally. After rising over 98% from about 1,687 to highs of around 3,343 units after the US election, Shiba Inu's rally appears to be stalling. Last week, for example, the popular doggy-themed meme coin declined by over 15% from an opening price of 3,219 to close at about 2,788 units. Despite this lackluster price showing, interest in the token remains significantly high, at least according to a recent Metamask ranking. Shiba Inu swaps remain high. SHIB was among the most swapped tokens by Metamask users last week. According to the popular Ethereum wallet, it was the 5th most swapped token on the platform during the period in question. Other tokens in the top 5 rankings were Pepe Unchained, Pepe, Baby Doge, and Hex in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place, respectively. SHIB's appearance in the ranking highlights high interest among traders. The metric holds even more weight, considering Metamask's large customer base. The wallet is widely regarded as the most used Ethereum wallet, with over 30 million monthly users. Interestingly, with the latest development, SHIB has now appeared in the Metamask ranking for 3 consecutive weeks. A potential high return play. The sustained interest in SHIB despite recent price slumps comes as some investors may see the asset as a potential high return play. That's because despite SHIB's impressive November 2024 rally, it still significantly underperformed meme coin market leader Dogecoin. Specifically, while SHIB rose up to 98% after the election, Doge surged 220%, suggesting the former may even have more latent bullish potential. Amid these speculations, one market commentator has recently suggested that SHIB is at a critical point, testing the upper bounds of a years-long downtrend. According to the analyst, the meme coin could kick off a 150% rally or decline from here, depending on whether or not the resistance holds. At the time of writing, the token exchanges hands for about 2,689 units. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu goes from billion to 13 trillion SHIB, major support ahead. The crucial 13 trillion SHIB support level is drawing near for Shiba Inu, which could dictate its course in the near future. This level acts as a crucial obstacle for sellers and a possible lifeline for bulls looking to spark a rally. Volume has significantly decreased, suggesting that both buyers and sellers are becoming less interested. The asset's difficulties as SHIB works to stabilize are exacerbated by this decline in participation. Without a surge in buying volume, a recovery becomes less likely in the short term, leaving SHIB vulnerable to further downside pressure. If buyers return and SHIB is able to hold the 13 trillion SHIB support, we may witness a relief rally with 3,000 units as a possible upside resistance. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu sees significant exchange inflows amid potential support challenges and weak trading momentum. Recent SHIB token movements indicate market pressure. In the past few days, Shiba Inu has experienced an unprecedented influx of tokens into exchanges, with more than 1.7 trillion SHIB moved in just 48 hours. This influx raises concerns about market sentiment and future price action. At the time of writing, SHIB was trading at 2,680 units, reflecting a 1.9% decline over the past 24 hours. Despite this, SHIB remains up by 10% in monthly terms, indicating underlying purchasing interest. Market sentiment and trading patterns. The current trading environment presents a mixed picture for SHIB holders. A right-angled ascending broadening wedge pattern appeared on its one-day chart, which typically suggests a bullish continuation if the price exceeds the upper trend line. Contrarily, shrinking volume histogram bars indicate a reduction in trading activity, signaling weak buying momentum and challenges for sustaining an uptrend. The money flow index showed a value of 43, demonstrating lackluster momentum as it trends downward, indicating increased selling activity in the market. Contrastingly, the Chaikin money flow remains at a positive value of 0.15, suggesting that buying pressure still outweighs selling, which adds an element of complexity to current market dynamics. Shiba Inu exchange inflows spike significantly. Data from CryptoQuant reveals a notable spike in Shiba Inu's inflows to exchanges, peaking on December 16th, marking the highest net inflows in nearly 5 months. This rapid increase calls attention to the potential market implications as traders move vast quantities to exchanges. The influx of over 1.78 trillion SHIB tokens within 2 days could precipitate further market corrections if demand fails to match the sell-side pressure. Key support and resistance levels for SHIB traders. According to the in-out-of-the-money around price analysis, 43,080 addresses are holding SHIB purchased between 2,400 and 2,500 units, establishing a robust support level influenced by profitability and trader sentiment. Conversely, a significant supply zone exists at 3,000 to 3,100 units, which has seen over 3 trillion SHIB purchased by 37,230 addresses. This could act as resistance, especially if traders look to recover losses by selling into this area. Market sentiment reveals bearish trends. The long/short ratio for SHIB reflects a bearish bias, with short positions outnumbering long positions significantly for the past week. Currently, the ratio sits at 0.96, indicating that a majority of traders are anticipating continued bearish movements. The ongoing trend in short selling suggests a cautious outlook among traders, reflecting widespread expectations of further declines in SHIB's price. But SHIB isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I recently did a video on what could become the next Shiba Inu coin. Check out the video on screen to find out more. Thanks for watching.